so excited.
Here we are at IKEA. Hopefully we'll find the shower door we need here. But first, we will get coffee, our favorite place to get coffee, and maybe even some sweets.
We BYOM because they're not vegan friendly.
So Sharon brings her own oat milk each time we come here so she can add her vegan dairy option.
Vegan life is so hard.
We're en route to the IKEA kitchen where we will get coffee to add Sharon's oat milk and veggie balls. IKEA has a new dessert. It's called the gooey chocolate cake. I got a little slice right here. It's so small, I think I'll be able to eat it in one bite. IKEA now has veggie burgers. Hell yeah! So I'm gonna get a veggie burger this time. It's a new menu item at IKEA we never knew about before. We're definitely excited to try it because, as you know, Sharon's vegan and I'm mostly vegan.
I'm so excited.
So we usually come here for the veggie dogs, but now it looks like we're coming here for the veggie burgers.
IKEA is on the leading edge, and I'm not surprised because it's a Swedish company and Europeans know more about the leading edge than Americans, to be honest.
How are they on the leading edge? How are they on the leading edge?
Because I was just saying, we're at the San Diego Zoo and the kids' meals were like grilled cheese or
Chicken strips.
yeah, nothing was vegan, and I was like, how are we feeding our kids this? And we're at the San Diego Zoo, and now we're at IKEA and they have vegan options for kids, which is like awesome.
This is the first time I've seen vegan or vegetarian options on a kids menu, which is great. I think we're moving in the right direction, right, world? So it looks like we're gonna be the first to try the kids' vegan options. I got so amazed and surprised. I got so excited. Oh my goodness, look at this. It looks delicious. And I can't believe they're offering this for kids. Do you think a lot of kids are ordering this? No, most of the kids are ordering junk food, right? They just informed us that it's mostly adults ordering the vegan cheeseburger, not kids. Kids are always wanting the junk food. Sharon got veggie balls with quinoa and green beans.
It's so big for you, so you don't make a mess.
It looks like it's for you. It fits you well. Down to the bath section, but it looks like they only have shower curtains and curtain rods. But we don't see any shower glass doors, so I guess for that fancy stuff, we're gonna have to go to Home Depot. IKEA doesn't have the shower doors, so we're gonna go for a shower curtain. If you want a basic cheap shower liner at IKEA, you're gonna spend $1.99. They have this option, which is opaque, white. Then they have this option, which is clear. They're both the same price. I think we're gonna go with the clear. Oh no, I'm at IKEA. My worst dream has come true. Sold out of veggie dogs? How long are you guys sold out of veggie dogs for?
It's been a couple weeks.
A couple weeks? So when are you gonna have them back?
I'm not sure. It's a supplier side issue.
Oh no. Let's go, honey bun. Time to pick you a shower door. So we decided not to get the shower curtain at IKEA. So now we're at Home Depot to pick a shower door. The way it works here is you buy each part individually, and then at the end there they have kits where you can buy everything together, but they're very simple, basic. Those are like contractor grade. But if you want to get a custom look, you can get clear glass, rain glass, checkered glass. So you choose your glass, you choose your frame, and you choose your handles. You get all these options here. Decided to forego the glass shower door and go with the shower curtain rod and a shower curtain. The simple, easy method. Because Sharon's too lazy to clean the glass. If the shower curtain gets dirty, we can just throw it away and buy a new one. Walmart for a shower curtain and rod. But first, we're going to stop and get our free sample with the free off. So today they're doing ounce wrinkle guard. And here it is. Whoa, a little
How
baby
cute!
box.
It's so mini.
So for each phone, you can get one. Alright, let's go look for shower curtain. Found a brush nickel curtain rod for the shower. They're cheaper here than IKEA, so we're going to get that tension rod for the shower curtain. And then they have a nice selection of full-length mirrors here that Sharon wants. So Sharon, which one are you going to get? Big one? Oh yeah, it looks pretty sturdy and big. Ended up going with the full-length mirror like this. It has no frame, it's a clean mirror edge, so I think this will look good in our closet door. Are you happy with our purchase? Sharon just had to stop and get her favorite snack, the hot baked Cheetos. She loves them so much. And then I was just walking in the aisle and I was like, whoa, they have special Halloween cereal. That's so cool. While we were here at Walmart, we decided to get tea, the chamomile Tauzo, the wild orange Tauzo. And what else did we get?
Chai with black tea, cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper, and spicy.
Some chai tea.
And some green tea.
Bye.